I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, presenting before you this question under set intervals is your tutor Harrison J. Zulu. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that each time I upload a new content, you get to be notified. So this is an examination question that is saying, given that A is within this interval 0 to 7, B is between this interval 2 to 6. All these brackets have got a specific meaning, so I'm going to explain, don't worry about that. 0 to 10, then U is the universal set. So this is the universal set from 0 to 11. Have you seen like this? So find, these are the questions which we are told to find. The first one is saying find A minus B intersection C, A union B union C in brackets, then a complement, A complement intersection C, then A intersection B intersection C. These are the questions we want to answer. So before we answer all the questions which are here, the first thing is to interpret this on a number line. So we are going to interpret this on a number line. This is what we are going to do. So hope you've taken down these questions. So now we want to answer this. How can we answer this now? So a number line, we follow the universal. Have you seen? We are going to follow the universal. So the universal set is saying from 0 to what? To 11. So the way this bracket means, this bracket, the way it means it is inclusive. Have you seen? What does it mean? Inclusive. Then this bracket, this kind of a bracket, means what? Not inclusive. So 0 to 11, these are inclusive. Have you seen? So you do this. This is, I'm going to do this. Have you seen? Like this. So this is a number, right? So I'm going to say I don't have negatives here. So I'm going to say this is my 0. Have you seen? This is my 0. Then this is my what? 11. This is my 11. So this is the universal set. Have you seen? So all these are included. I use a shaded circle like this. Even here I shade this. Then I do this to show that this is the universal set. Have you seen? This is the what? The universal set. This is what I'm going to do. So after I do this, after doing this, what is the next thing I'm supposed to do? I start now interpreting all the sets that are under consideration. So I've got set A. What is set A saying? Is 0 to 7. Both 0 and 7 are not included. 0 to 7. The 0 is what? The 0 is here. Have you seen where the 0 is? The 0 is here. Then a 7, I'm just going to assume that my 7 is here. This is where my 7 is. I'm going to assume that my 7 is here. Have you seen? So, it's starting on what? 0. It is not included. So, I'm going to put unshaded box like this. Unshaded. This is where the 0 is. So, let me put the 0 here like this. This is not shaded. Have you seen? Also 7 is not what? Shaded. Not shaded like that. Then I join them like this. This is what I'm going to do. Have you seen? I'm going to do that. That's what I'm going to do exactly. So after I do that, after doing that, the other thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to B. So I'll start with what? I'll start with B. So I'm going to start with B. So B is what? 2 to 6. 2 to what? To 6. So I'm just going to assume that my 2 is here, then my 6 is where? My 6 is there. So both numbers are included. So 2 is included. 6 is included. So I'm just going to join them like this. I'm going to name this as B. Have you seen? This is what I'm going to do. Then I've got another set which is what? Which is set, it is set C. So what is set C saying? Set C, 0 to 10 not included. 0 to 10 not included. So I'm going to say my 10 is here. So not included, I'll use this same one. Have you seen? 0 to what? 10. So I'm going to use this same one like this. To 10, not included like this. Have you seen? So this is what C. Hope you are able to see all my sets. I've got set A 0 to 7. This is set A. Set B 2 to 6. Then set C is here, which is 0 to what 10, not included. So I've interpreted what I'm given in the question. So once I interpret what I'm given in the question, what's the next thing that I'm supposed to do is to answer now the questions which I'm given. So this is the first question. So now I'm going to use everything. I'll be using this data that is here to answer the questions which I'm given. So this is what I'll be doing to answer all the questions which I'm given. So question A, I've got question A. Question A was what? A minus like this, B intersection C. This is what I'm given. So how can I now answer this question? How can I answer this question? It's very simple. So this is how you are going to answer it. You start with what? B intersection C. So what is B intersection C? So B intersection C. B, where is B? Your B is here. Intersecting with what? Intersecting with C. So B and C intersecting. Have you seen? C is from 0 to 10. C. B 2 to what? 6. So when these are intersecting, where are they meeting? Where do we have the common values? It's just 2 to 6. Have you seen? So you are going to start with it. You are going to say B intersection C is within which interval? It is on which interval? So it is on which interval? It is on 2 to what? 6. It is on this interval. These are included. Have you seen? 0 to 10, then 2 to 6. This is where we've got common numbers. Have you seen? So this is what you are going to do. Then you find your A. Where is our A? Where is our A? Our A. Where is our A? Our A. A is equal to what? A is equal to, we are given in the question, A is this one. 0 to 7 not included. So 0 to 7 not included. This is what you are going to do. Very simple. So now the question was saying 0 to 7. It was what? 0 to what? 0 to 7. So this means that you want to consider set A and remove what? Remove B intersection C. So B intersection C is this part here. This is the part here. B intersection C is this part. Where is our A? Where is our A? Where is our A? Our A is this one here. From this part to that part. So they want to remove this part. Have you seen? This is minus. So remove what? This part, then write A. So if we remove part, if we remove B intersection C, what are we going to have? So finally, what we are going to have is, we are going to say A minus open bracket B intersection C is equal to, have you seen? So you remove this part from A. So A is starting from 0 to 7. So you remove this part here. We found this part, 2 to 6. So we start from 0 to 2. Have you seen? 0 to what? 0 to 2. Then you know that is here, the A here on the 0 is not included. On this part, since this one is included, so even the 2 won't be included. So we are going to say in the interval, 0 to what? To 2, not included. Have you seen? Then you say union. So you continue from here, 6 to what? 6 to 7. Since this one is included here, so the 6 won't be included. 6, comma. Have you seen? Comma what? You move to the other one. Comma what? 7. Not what? Included. Not included. So, like this. So that's how you get to answer that question. Have you seen? So we've answered that. So this is your answer. This is how you need to answer that question. This is your what? This is your answer. Let us now move to question B. So we move to question B. So we'll be using this same diagram. This is the very diagram that will help us answer all the questions which we were given. So answer all the questions. B. What was B saying? B was saying A intersection B intersection C, like this. Then there was a complement there. Have you seen? Complement. Complement means you like A, you remove A, B, C. What are you going to remain with? So I believe this one is very simple. So A, where is our A? A, B, C. So we remove all these parts. So if we remove, these are the sets which are under consideration. So if we remove all these sets, what are we going to have? So all these are within 0 to 10. Have you seen? The highest, this one is C, which has gone from 0 to 10. So they are within this range. So we are just going to remain with this part here. Have you seen? Since the 10 here is not included, so our answer will be included. We are going to say 10, 11 there. 11 is included like this. So this is your what? This is your answer. This is how you need to answer this question. Have you seen the way I've answered? This is the same way you are supposed to answer all the questions. So we move to the other part. C. We move to C. So C was like this. C was what? A complement intersection C. How can you answer this question? How can we answer this question? Very, very simple. So we are going to answer this question in an easy way. So how can you answer this question? Very simple. How can we answer this question? How can we answer this question? How can we answer this question? So this is how we are going to answer this question. A complement. You consider A complement. So A complement. What is A complement? What is A complement? A complement. So A complement, you consider the universal set. Have you seen? You consider the what? The universal set. A complement, you remove A. So let us remove A. A is starting from 0 to 7. So we remove this part. We are going to start from 7 to 11. Since this one is not included, so our answer will be included. A is not included on the A part. 7 is not included. So we are going to include 7 going this side. So this is the symbol for include. We've included, comma, 11 is included like this. Have you seen? So which means A complement is this answer here. This is A complement. Have you seen? This is your what? A complement. So this is our A complement. So since this is our A complement, what are we going to do next? What are we going to do next? So is intersecting with the C. Intersecting with what? C. So 7 to 11. 7 to 11. Intersecting with C. C is from 0 to 7. So where do we have common numbers? 0 to 10. This is C. 7 to 11. Have you seen? So from there, going this side, there to there. So this is where I've got the part which is common. Have you seen? This is ending at 10. C is ending at 10. This one is starting at 7 to what? 11. So here, this is the part where we've got common what? Common numbers. So this is the intersection part. This is where it is intersecting. 7 to 11, 0 to 10. This is the part where they are intersecting. Have you seen? This is the part where these are intersecting. So this is what, if you check, this is what, since this one, so the way we are going to answer, this one is not what? Included. Even this one here is not included. So part of our answers, on our answers, these two are going to be included. So this means that A complement intersection C is equal to 7, what? 10 included. This is how you get to answer that one. Have you seen? This is how you need to answer that one. As simple as that. So this is where I've got a common region. This one is starting from 7 to 11. Another one is 0 to 10. This is where these are common. Have you seen? This is how you get to answer this. We move to the last one. The last one is very simple. So this was our answer. Let us move to the last one. So we move to the last one. How is the last one saying? So D, our last one D. So it is what? A intersection B intersection C. Where are all these intersecting? Where are all these intersecting? Where are they intersecting? Have you seen where are they intersecting? A, B, C. All of them, where are they intersecting? So A, where is our A? A is from here to there. Have you seen? From here to there. This one, A, from 0 to 7. So it is passing through this region. Have you seen? This is the region. B is just here. C from there to there. Have you seen? So the part which has remained is this part. This is the part which has remained. Have you seen? This is where these are intersecting. They are intersecting in this range. 2 to what? 6. This is where they are intersecting. A, 0 to 7, passing through 2 and 6. C, it is 0 to 10, passing through 2 and 6. Then B, just 2 and 6. So this is where these are intersecting. So that's the intersection part, which is equal to, these are included, 2 and 6. This is how you get to answer such a question. Have you seen? This is the way you are supposed to work out those questions, as simple as this. So if you want to get in touch with me, we've come to the end of this lesson. So if you want to get in touch with me, you've got a tutorial sheet that you want help in, you can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line. This is my WhatsApp line. This is my WhatsApp line. You can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line, then I'll be able to attend to you. Thank you so much. So everything is done at an affordable fee. If you've got a tutorial sheet, I can answer that tutorial sheet for you at an affordable fee. So this is my number, +2609710667447. You can get in touch with me on this line. So this was underset interval. This was just an exam question. Thank you so much.